Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you how to quickly enter a completely new field. I believe the first step is super important, establishing that big picture understanding through background research and overview learning. And let's face it, this process can literally make you go bald. So why not let AI save your hairline? Today I'll demonstrate this with a concrete example. Let's take anti-aging research as our example. This is a comprehensive report on anti-aging research that I researched using Kragent. It traces the complete historical development from 350 BC to the present day. From the ancient Eastern and Western alchemy and elixir making to today's AI-assisted research is quite fascinating. It also identified 28 key milestones and breakthrough studies categorized and expanded upon. You can focus particularly on the recent revolutionary developments section. It constructed complete knowledge maps across 7 major research domains, providing current theoretical frameworks and future trend predictions. So how did Kragent produce this detailed report? Simply input your research instructions into Kragent's dialog box, and it starts working diligently on deep research, reading literature, and providing summary reports. After the research was completed, it first gave a concise version. Then I asked for an ultra-detailed version. You can open the entire research process from the sidebar here. There's no black box. Every detail is visible, and you can intervene at any time. All these cited references actually exist. They are not hallucinations. With a systematic foundational understanding in place, the next step is to dive deep into recent high-quality literature. From literature search and in-depth reading to summarization and comparison, the entire research workflow can continue to be efficiently accomplished through Kragent. We asked it to find review papers published in top-tier journals over the past 2 years. Here we found 7 papers that met the criteria with their publication journals, dates, DOIs, call summaries, impact factors, and download links clearly marked. You can have it read through these papers and conduct any analysis you'd like based on their content. Here, we asked it to systematically analyze and categorize the mainstream technological pathways in current anti-aging research, identifying key findings, the most promising pathways, and the critical research gaps. Here's the summary it provided for each technological pathway. It outlined the scientific rationale and mechanisms, current development status, and challenges and opportunities. From the sidebar, you can see the process of Kragent opening and reading through each paper. Finally, if you want to download these papers, you can ask it to package them for download. One paper wasn't publicly available, so we downloaded 6 papers in total. Kragent excels at deep research, programming, and complex data processing. It not only helps you quickly enter new fields, but also assists with data processing and programming development when you're actually conducting research or work. It can rapidly build prototypes, iterate efficiently, and make your creative ideas come to life at lightning speed. If you also want to learn and work efficiently, give Kragent a try.